Welcome friends in V365 Tech. Today notes we are going to learn ASP.NET MVC. MVC means Model View Controller. Okay, in this we learn CRUD operations of a form in using MVC. CRUD means create, retrieve, update and delete operations. Okay friends, now onwards we create parts of insert, update, delete operations in MVC. Please subscribe my channel for future scope. Okay friends, ASP.NET MVC. Why ASP.NET MVC? Because MVC separates the application coding that in the form of model, view and controller. Model contains the business data or database. View means view represents presentation layer, that is in the form of HTML page. And controller is controller which controls the request and response of the users. Controller contains the business logic of our application. In the ASP.NET MVC, also called as test driven programming, means here you can easily test your application. Okay friends, you can like, subscribe and share my V365 Tech channel and share to others for learning ASP.NET MVC. I completed jQuery tutorial parts for beginners. You can check this or watch this jQuery tutorials. It is for your career. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy day.